What's up, crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin is moving to the downside. I'm going to explain how we are at crucial levels of support that if broken, no doubt that we're going beneath $59,000. However, this is a zone that could hold and get a big, massive bounce. So we're going to talk about the possible trading strategies in this episode, looking at the technical analysis. Then we're going to go through some incredible news that is going on worldwide. So let's dive in here straight into the content. Guys, I want to let you know that I am in a swing long position. I am speculating right now with very good risk management. I am aware that that $59,000 range could be taken, but I'm speculating that we could get a bounce here in the next coming hours or next 1 to 2 days. Now, I am using Bluffing, guys. Bluffing is the new player here. It has been active for quite some time. However, they are moving up in ranking. You do have an exclusive bonus only for my subscribers, $80,000 deposit bonus, and they are going to be no KYC for a long time. Just with an email and a password, guys, you can start trading. Now let's go right away through the scenarios of Bitcoin. Pure technical analysis. We are slightly beneath the value area low of the entire trading range of March and April. Is this worrying? This does look very corrective. I do see a chance of Bitcoin actually holding, because if you do not break through a major support with a big massive wick and you're just dancing around creating slightly lower lows and slightly lower highs, I can see that there is a chance for a bounce. You can see that we are forming a little bit of a descending wedge structure here during the last few days with the lower lows and lower highs, as you can see. Now, no doubt the sign of strength here of the price, if you do not want to speculate in a long position here, of course, managing risk very well. This is really not worth having stop losses here beneath $59,000, because if we do lose this level, which is the lower low support, it is also the value area low of this trading range. Okay, when we do take a look at the range from the 13th of April till today, we do have also the value area low of this trading range right there where we are sitting at the moment. We've got lower low support, a bit of a descending wedge structure. We got the 61865 Fibonacci from this pivot low to the pivot high, just holding by a thread, dancing around. I'm going to give it a chance here, to be honest. However, I'm managing risk very well. You're not going to see me adding too long positions here or any of that nonsense, because this could get you wrecked. I'm aware that if this is broken, you could get a recovery here bouncing at the 7.8. Then we'll look for the possibility of a long. However, if we do break through, then I'm just waiting here patiently to see how we're reacting at the $59,000 range to see if it's going to turn into a failed auction, swing failure pattern, and then possibly look for that swing long position. However, this is probably not going to happen. If it does happen, we'll be waiting patiently to see what happens at that range. What would be a sign of strength for the price of Bitcoin to go to higher levels, to hit $65,000, which is that lower high here created from Friday? The sign of strength to get to that level would be breaking above the daily open of today, which is sitting at $63,060. Of course, as we do break that daily open, which will probably be during the day if possible, if we do break above that level, no doubt that this is going to be a sign of strength. We'll be breaking out from lower high resistance trend line, from this descending wedge pattern that we formed during the last few days. No doubt that this will be looking very good for the price to get the continuation to the upside to the target zone of $65,200, which is that high here from Friday. This is the target zone from the pattern. If we get that breakout with high volume above the daily open of today, breaking out the lower high resistance trend line, remember, we do want to see that nice breakout of several $100s with some volume picking up. No doubt that this will be looking very good for that reversal here, short time frame, all right, from this downtrend to look to hit that $65,300. On the other side, no doubt we are at support. This could hold. If you do want to get into a long position, this is always up to you. Of course, manage risk accordingly. I am taking that risk here, as you can see, with the Bluffing exchange, looking for that possible reversal, but overall managing risk very well, guys. Not much more has to be said here. There is a chance. We're holding 61865 Fibonacci from pivot low, pivot high. We are at lower low support. We are at the value area low from the trading range of the last 2 weeks. It's just looking like it either breaks down, and I do not want to get into a major loss, adding into a swing long position. No, guys, I'm happy to get stopped out. and analyze the situation here. If we do hit these lows, see if we are going to recover, if it's only going to be a wick, and then look obviously for that swing long position. Now, no doubt, in a downtrend, scalp shorts are in your advantage. Of course, we want to look for shorts on the lower time frames. We did actually play volume strategy here to perfection here very early this morning. Volume strategy is one of my leading strategies. I did not manage to get into this short because this was very early this morning, but you're interested in the high volume spikes on lower time frames, and you can see the high volume candle here. If you do get that box and extend it from this high volume candle right over here, you can see how you did get that breakdown with this movement, as you can see at 6 o'clock in the morning Dubai time. Get the bounce right there, back test that high volume level, come back down and test the lows, guys. This is, no doubt, short scalps are in your advantage because we are in a downtrend. However, if you are looking for that reversal, you're looking for that day trade, swing trade that might take a few days to see if we are going to start changing the trend. Manage risk accordingly as always, legends. Let's go right away with some news that is going on, guys. Forbes in 1999 said that the internet was awful because it uses too much electricity. And now, a lot of businesses work with internet, of course, social media, marketing. Sounds like Bitcoin today, right? There's a lot of, articles out there that is saying the same thing. Bitcoin uses too much energy and it's really not worth it. It's going to fail. Well, I think that Bitcoin is the strongest money that there could be out there. Gold's inflation rate went up 50% in 2023. Thanks to the new technologies, we can mine gold faster and find them at different areas of the world. And on the other side, Bitcoin's just dropped 50%, right, with the Bitcoin halving. So no doubt Bitcoin is better than gold in many other ways, not only because of its inflation rate. ETF update for the week. We've seen BlackRock not adding any Bitcoin for the last few days. Maybe they're just on the sidelines. I'm very sure that they will be adding very, very soon. We have US prepared for potential failure of major Wall Street banks, says FDIC. Probably nothing, of course. If this were to happen, there's no doubt that the money printer should be turning on to bail out these banks and save them. Fun fact, we have less than 5% of the global population invested in cryptocurrency. This very much means that this is very early stages for the next coming years. No doubt in the next coming years, we're going to see 20% of the global population using crypto, even up to 40%, right? In the next 5 to 10 years. This means that this is early stages to invest in Bitcoin and the very good, solid cryptocurrency projects. Now, breaking, we do have a Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF is launching tomorrow, guys. So no doubt this is exciting. Can this create a hype and a big major bounce for Bitcoin? No doubt that the Hong Kong ETF inflows are not going to be that much, and they're not going to pump the price $10,000 right in the next coming days, like the American US ETFs like BlackRock, Fidelity, that have much more volume. Hong Kong, not too much volume. Maybe it can create hype and the general public will be buying up Bitcoin, having that major rally possibly in the next 1 to 2 weeks to see if we can hit all-time high. Legends, thank you very much for joining today's video update. I will be doing a live stream afterwards, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, check out my Bybit tutorial so you can learn how to trade on Bybit. That is my favorite crypto trading platform. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.